Power in flux, profit, pressure, markets, planet, and peril. Exploring the edge of technology, rights, geopolitical diplomacy, and more. Nature's fury, caught in the mountains. A devastating cloudburst has erased entire parts of Dharali, Uttarkashi. 36 crore cubic meters of debris have swallowed homes, roads, and history. Over 50 missing. Rescue operation race against time and rain. ISRO confirms near total erasure via satellite imagery. Experts warn, this is what ecological neglect looks like. Israel proposes full control of Gaza amid protest. Israel's PM Netanyahu plans full-scale military control of Gaza, justifying security needs, igniting protests from hostage families and international condemnation. Arab nations and NGOs warn such moves risk overwhelming humanitarian strain. US doubles bounty on Venezuela's Maduro. The US hikes its reward to $50 million for Venezuelan President Maduro's capture, citing involvement with major criminal networks like Tren de Aragua and Sinaloa cartel. Drawing sharp criticism from Latin American observers. Global markets rally despite tariff pressures. Markets rose on 7 August, buoyed by strong corporate earnings, favorable Fed signals, and exemptions for Taiwan and South Korea from steep US chip tariffs, offsetting tariff jitters and signaling cautious investor optimism. Bank of England cuts rates amid split vote. The BOE trimmed rates by 0.25% to 4%, its fifth cut this year, following a contentious 5-4 vote. Inflation projections and global uncertainties push further rate cuts into early 2026. India surpasses China as top smartphone exporter. India overtakes China as the leading global smartphone exporter, a milestone driven by manufacturing competitiveness and evolving trade dynamics, marking a pivotal shift in global tech supply chains. All markets await Trump's Russia-Ukraine ultimatum. Oil trading remains subdued as global markets anticipate President Trump's high-pressure deadline for Russia to end its Ukraine war, highlighting the tight interlink between geopolitics and energy volatility. July 2025 remains among warmest on record. July 2025 ranked as Earth's third warmest on record, with average temperatures 1.25 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels.